Help System lab questions. Now we're going to put to work the things we've learned about the help system. Here's some instructions. We're going to use get-help. Let me type that, get-help. Okay. And let's just pick a command, get-service, let's say. And we're going to use show window. Okay. I've shown you this before, -show window. Now, go over here to settings. And we just want to uncheck all these except for examples. It's going to remove everything from the display except for all the examples. Okay. So for each question, you're going to want to work your way through or the help examples until you find the example that closely matches the question. Okay, and by the way, there's an answer video at the end of this section if you need additional help. All right, let's close that. Let me give you an example of what I'm talking about. Let's say I want to list all the event logs on the computer. So let's go ahead and type get help. Okay. And we want the event logs. So we want to type get-event. Okay, and there it is right there. There's the event log. Okay. Now, type show window. Okay, now there's our examples. So we want to go through the examples until we find an example that matches our question. In this case, we want to list all the event logs on the computer. So this example 1 says get event logs on a computer. So let's try this command just to see if that's going to work with the list parameter. Okay, so go ahead and type get-event log. Okay, space. Now type your parameter, list. Press return, and there is a list, all the event logs on the computer. Okay. You'll need to pause the video between questions. Okay, question number 1. We're going to run get service. Okay, press return. And let's go ahead and scroll up. Now we want to pick a service that is currently running. Okay, and after you find a service that is currently running, you're going to want to get the dependent services of the service that you have chosen. Question 2. Get event log -list lists all the logs that are on the computer. Let's go ahead and type that. Event log -list. You've already seen this. Okay. Now get the 20 most recent entries from the system log. Question number 3. The get-command gets all the commands on the computer. In this question, we want to get all the commands of all types. Question number 4. Get-content. From the root of your C drive, create a folder. Okay, called content. All right. All right. Now go ahead and open Notepad. Create a text file, add a few lines, and save it to your content directory, and name it test.txt. Use the get-content command to get the contents of your text file and display it to the console. Question number 5. Clear history. From the console pane, type the command get-history. Displayed are all the commands that you have typed into PowerShell. go ahead and use the clear history command and only delete the first, get up there, scroll up there, delete the first and the last command that you've typed into PowerShell. Now delete all the remaining commands. Question number 6, get-alias. Using this command, how can you figure out the alias for get-service? Question number 7, how would you start and stop the bit service and see the result? Question number 8, how would you display the installed version of PowerShell? Question number 9, how would you count the number of aliases in the current session? And here's a hint. You may have to count and measure. Use the get- command, *measure*, to find the correct command. Go ahead and check out the answer video at the end of the section to make sure all your answers are correct.